presents Ava's Ceiling, Night 3, A Journey Through a Rainforest. On Ava's bedroom ceiling was a cosmic view, and in those twinkling stars she saw magic shapes that grew into inspiration for journeys she could take as she slumbered in her bed before her mind would wake. One evening, a shape in the corner caught her eye. The stars formed a creature floating up in the sky. A beautiful blue butterfly, vibrant and bright, with wings as radiant as the morning light. In her dream, she found herself in the butterfly's land, a lush rainforest stretching far and grand. Trees reached to the sky, touching the fluffy clouds, as a chorus of animals sang out loud and proud. Ava stumbled upon a river, crystal clear and blue, and a friendly jaguar appeared, his eyes a smoky hue. He led her through the vines and leaves, dense and green. With each step, an enchanted world could be seen. The air was filled with exotic flowers' lovely scent, as a colorful macaw swooped in a rapid descent. Monkeys swung from branches and played hide and seek, while a toucan proudly displayed its magnificent beak. A mother orangutan held a baby she clearly adored as she sat by a tree on the rainforest floor. A brightly colored frog blinked at Ava with big eyes, and a dangling sloth smiled at her as she passed by. Deep into the forest, a waterfall came into sight, its cascading waters gleaming like the purest moonlight. Ava watched in awe as the water splashed and roared. Mesmerized by its beauty, she couldn't ask for more. The rainforest was a paradise. Ava's only regret was knowing there were creatures she hadn't yet met. As dawn approached, she said goodbye to the spectacular view, knowing her mind would hold its beauty, lasting and true. During the day, Ava would read with wonder in her eyes of the rainforest habitat from the ground to the skies, and of the animals she met in her dream so grand. With every turn of the page, her adventure would expand. So, dear children, dream with all of your might. Let your imaginations take flight, for in a world of dreams, anything is true. Just like Ava, magical dreams await you.